Hi, we're out on the sixth hole today, and I'm going to talk to you about the rocks that line the fairways here on the golf course. So we have three distinct types of rock that line the golf course. There's the small decomposed granite, that sort of gravelly stuff that's most common around the golf course. And then there's the 1-inch rock that kind of lines the higher portions of the up by the house lots. And then there's the big 3-inch, 4-inch rock. And each of those types of rock has a different set of rules and different options that are afforded to you when you go into those areas. So today I want to talk to you about each one of those spots. All right, so the first area we're going to talk about is the smallest rock, the decomposed granite. Now in here, you just play the ball as it lies. You're not afforded any special rules under our local rules. You play it as it lies, just like you're in the middle of the fairway. You're able to ground your club, do anything you'd like. If you have movable obstructions such as large rocks or tree branches or leaves around your ball, you're able to pick those up with your hand. Just be careful you don't move your ball in the process. Next, we're going to talk about the larger 1-inch rock area where we do have some special local rules attached to that. All right, so now the next area we're going to talk about is the larger 1-inch rock. Now in this area, we do have some options under our local rules. Of course, you can play it as it lies. If you do so, you just want to be very careful. The loose rock is not good for footing, and you can also end up hurting your clubs pretty bad in the process. If you do decide to play it as it lies, you can pick and move rocks out of the way. Just make sure that you don't move your ball in the process. The option under the local rules that I have is to find my nearest point of relief and then take one club length from that spot. So again, nearest point of relief is going to be the shortest distance from where my original lie was to get out of the big rocks. More often than not, that's going to get you just into the decomposed granite here. And then from that spot, I'm going to find the first place where I'm no nearer to the hole and I can have a stance and a swing that's not affected by these rocks. Then from that spot, I'm going to take one club length and then drop in between the two tees I've put down. And now that ball is in that zone, it's no nearer to the hole, and I can play away. The last spot we're going to look at is the large 3 to 4 inch rocks, which has another kind of wrinkle to it. All right, so the final spot we're going to take a look at is the large 3 to 4 inch rock or river rock areas. These spots are actually a free drop. They follow the same rules as the 1-inch rock. I'm going to take the nearest point of relief and then one club length from that spot. So first thing I'm going to do is come in and retrieve my ball. Now you want to be very careful in this rock. It can be very loose, kind of difficult to walk in, so always be very careful when you get your ball in that spot. But I'm going to take nearest point of relief, no nearer to the hole, so that'll be right about here. And then I get one club length from that spot, right over this way. And again, I drop between those two tees, ball never gets nearer to the hole. Just so happens I got really lucky in this case, and I'm able to drop up here in the grass. So I'm going to go ahead and take my drop and then play away from that spot. Hopefully this helps clear up a few of the questions you have about our local rock rules. Thank you very much for watching.